part 10, where we stopped. Part 9 is 12D concept. We have studied about 12D concept. Now this is where low acid food, medium acid food, C. botulinum is present. Means C. botulinum bacteria is present whether it is low acid food or medium acid food. Demand is to reduce the C. botulinum spores by factor of 10 to the power 12. D value of C. botulinum spore as measured from the survival curve obtained on heating at 121 degrees Celsius is 0.21. 121 degrees Celsius is heating time and 0.21 is the D value, and when we multiply both the units we get 2.52 minutes that is required to kill the C. botulinum spores. This is D value. How D value is calculated by Logarithm rule. Now heat penetration in canned food. The important aspects of thermal processing, heat penetration and distribution depend on the heat penetration and the distribution. The important aspects of thermal processing depends on heat penetration and the distribution process, and this actually is based on the physical characteristics and is completely independent of microbiological aspects. So physical characteristics is mainly important for the heat penetration. Food cans may be classified in convection heating packs and conduction heating pack depending on the type of heat transfer. Convection is heating takes place when solid is heated and the liquid transfer the heat from one point to another by movement of liquid molecules with the can. In case of conduction, heating takes place when heat distribution takes place through solid. The time required to vent the retort and bring it to processing temperature is called as come-up time. What is cold spot or the cold point? There is a temperature gradient in canned food. Means when heating is done, there are some point which is not heated. Actually, that is the center point. And if we heat the can from outside, this happens. On heating can from outside, portion of can contain nearer to the container will get heated first. Therefore, point or small space can be imagined in each can which get heated. Such a point of maximum heat lag is known as cold spot.